like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Here, I'm going to be doing May's ice cream box. If you're not familiar with ice cream, they have both a bag and a box. And I get the box, and it's $25 a month, and that includes shipping. And every month you're guaranteed one pallet. Now they also have a bag, and I'm believing it's $12.50 and then $1.99 shipping. And with that, you're guaranteed a pallet, but also you get 3 to 5 items. And in the box, you get 5 to 7 items. And this is the contents. No, this is the contents. I was zooming right along, recording. And my grandson came in. But I'm still trying to get caught up from going to Louisiana. So you just have to bear with me. So I'm going to start with this little one. And this is a loose pigment. And I'll be honest with you, I use these more in my resin than I do on my face. But it's a very pretty color. Let's see if I can. Color. I'm just going to do this instead of wasting. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. I don't know if I can or not. Let's see if you can see that shimmer here. I can't really see if you can or not, but it's right here. So I'm sure somewhere you got it. So there's that, and that is okay, this is loose Duochrome powder by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and it's valued at $10. But yeah, it's very pretty. Very sparkly. Makes you look like you're a vampire. Okay, then the next thing I'm getting is this. And this is Next Level Gel Liner by Appeal Cosmetics. And it's valued at $21? No. Yeah, that is what it is. Does that really say that? Yep, it does say $21. Okay. Who might have... Just seems like a lot of money for a lip liner, but we'll see. Maybe it's worth it. We'll see. We'll see as I'm opening it. I got to step to me. And it looks like that. I don't have all the plastic off, so I'm just going to go ahead. Let's do it on this hand, see which one I can do better with. There's that. So that's what that looks like. Okay, there's that. Then we have Gerard Cosmetics Color Your Smile. Let's see what it says about this. Color Your Smile Lip Gloss by Gerard Cosmetics, and it's valued at $24. And it's called, it's Salmon. And we'll look at this. Well, that's pretty. Very pretty container. This is probably one of those ones that will go to my mama. Even though she probably won't wear it because I can't get her to wear makeup hardly at all anymore. That's that color. And it's very smooth. It's a little thick, but it's not real sticky. You know how some of the thicker ones are sticky? It's not. Okay, so we'll throw that down there. And then we got Gerard Cosmetics B&B Plus Illumination Facial Cream. And we shall open. And that's what that looks like. Okay. Let's see. This is valued at $36. Important note from the manufacturer. In order to get the pump to work correctly, you will need to unscrew the cap and push the product up until it appears in the neck. Okay. And there's a little sticker on it to secure it. So you will need to assume it's like that. Ooh, yep. I got it to work, but it's very watery. I'm going to try shaking it because it's very watery. Oh, there it is. See, it takes a couple to get it to work. See if I can do it where you can see it. See it? But yeah, so there you go. Okay. So those are those. Now we're down to, oops, I need that paper. I just threw it away. Okay. And then we have our palette. And this time it is the Ultimate Cappuccino by I can't read it. DEDE Signature, and it's valued at $34. And now I'm going to have trouble with the sun. Thanks, boys. Okay. And on the back, it does show you what colors you're dealing with. Okay. And here they are. And you have a total of 12 colors. And you have 8 mattes and 4 glitters. Okay, I am going to try these in the middle first. And they would be bam, 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 bam. They're pretty well pigmented, I will say that. And then I'll do the top row, because why not? There's that one. That one is about my skin tone. We'll do that one. And then we'll do this one. And then I'll do the glitter above. Ooh, look at that one. That one's pretty. And some of these colors are so pretty, but That's pretty too. Yep. And some of these you really have to look at those. Gorgeous. I love those colors. Very, very pretty. So that is my ice cream box for May 2024. And I will leave all the links down below and the box total value. So come on back and join us. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.